Content marketing has become one of the digital era's most effective techniques. Blogging, as one of its main protagonists, has taken a leading role in helping business market their product and services without being too salesy. According to demand metrics, 70% of people would rather learn about a company through articles rather than advertisements. Moreover, businesses that blog get 55% more website visitors than businesses that don't. Running a blog is of immense importance for startup businesses, which often struggle to build their customer base and position their brand in the market. Yet startup founders time and again think of blogging as a luxury that needs to be put off until a certain stage is reached, when they can afford more time and resources to produce high quality content. But then arises the question, how do you reach that point if you don't leverage some of the marketing techniques that have power to help you reach your target audience in a way that is budget friendly and offers value? Below are some key reasons why your startup business needs a blog. Drive long-term results in a budget-friendly way. Allocating budgets for marketing purpose is one of the most challenging tasks in the world of startup, especially if your startup is still at an early age. While by that point, you're probably aware that your product will not sell itself, no matter how great it is, but the lack of resources often impedes you from doing what is necessary. Luckily, blogging is not just one of the least expensive means of marketing, but it is also one of the most effective strategies that brings a lot of benefits, including long-term results. A highly engaging and well-optimized blog used in conjunction with social media and other free promotional platforms will bring you tons of traffic from a long time to come and thus significantly boost your growth with zero paid on advertising. Boost your SEO and attract organic traffic, since search engines are among the leading drivers of organic traffic to your website. Blogging should undoubtedly play an important role in your startup marketing strategy. Updating your blog with relevant and SEO-friendly content on a regular basis and driving links back to your articles will notably enhance your SEO and will increase your chances of ranking high on Google and other search engines. Furthermore, by understanding what your audience searches for on the internet, you can create targeted content that will improve your search ranks and eventually will bring you a large number of potential customers. Strengthen your brand as a leading voice in the sector. One of the major benefits of starting a blog is that you can establish yourself as an influential and trusted voice in your niche through the content that you create. Customers trust leaders and would rather buy from you if you share in-depth knowledge and tips that will help them solve their problems. To become a powerful leader, you should tell a compelling brand story, stick to your brand voice, and consistently communicate your brand's value. But that's not all. To gain and maintain an authority, you need to create high-quality, engaging, and value-based content that will educate your readers and will answer all their questions.